Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad bin Zulkifle. My matrix card number is 2021340877 and I'm from class CSC 2514A. So today I would like to present to you for my IOT project, which are smoke detector system. So let's get it on. As for the first one, which is problem statement. So the first point is carelessness. Carelessness means that in my case, it happens in the kitchen space. So basically someone, after using a stove or what, they forgot to turn off the stove, and that may lead to fire. And also when children playing with gas, when we don't supervise them, it will also lead to fire cases. Then the second point is not enough fire awareness. So basically people are taking fire safety lightly. So this is to help them to know the importance of fire safety. And the third is life-threatening. So as we all know, fire can definitely cause harm and death. Therefore, in order to protect our family and loved ones, a precaution must be made. Second one is objective. It can help prevent destruction. By prevent destruction means that either the building itself, as an example, a company building, restaurant, kitchen, and all. So we can minimize the cost of burnings, and then we don't have to build it back. Second one is help acquire knowledge about safety. So basically this means that my aim is to get people to know more about fire and how to get more secure about it, depending on whether we have installed the smoke sensor or not. And the last point is reduces injuries. Reduces injuries means that we can prevent harmful things such as severe burnings and death if a fire broke out, and we can get alarm about it before the fire broke out, so we can take precautions. Next one, significant. The significance of this project is to create a safe environment to live in. This basically means that free of fire worries, means that we can chill in the house, watching televisions and everything without having to worry about a fire broke out in our house, depending on the smoke sensor. So save lives, yeah, pretty much everyone knows about it. Means that fire can be life-threatening, so having a smoke sensor can prevent fire, therefore it can save lives. And then works to warn us. So basically this, in my case, just using a notification and lights in order to warn us about the incoming fire. In a bigger project, we can have a sprinkler, so it will help slowing down the fire so that the fire department can come. Okay, so this is my project demo. Let's see. Here I have installed, I have put ESP32 in my 2 breadboard, which I have connected, and here I have tested it out with lighter. So when it detected gas, it turns red. And then we have our sensor. Yeah. So basically, when there is no smoke, the blue LED will turns blue, and then when it detected gas, as in this case, which I use a lighter, then it will turn red. And then after it turns red, after it detected the smoke, I've used my Blink app to connect it. Then I have a notification here. Please check your sensor, smoke detected. Means that this works to alarm us about the gas. Okay, this is the end. Thank you.